Hey guys, we're back. Another ship here. I had the 6 leg ship and then I made it into like it's got 4 legs, kind of like a walker a little bit. Here's what it looks like. Let's see if I can jump up there. Grab on, there we go. So see it's got these legs on it here. It's got some engines on the back. We'll look at the stats in the ship builder and how I built it a little bit. But that's what it looks like. It is an odd ship for sure. But I had the idea. I did 6 legs. And then I got to the structural pieces and yeah, I ran out of pieces. I hit the build limit. Let's pop inside here. A little bit of a maze, not as much as I like. So we have this going up here. This goes into a weird spot. Well, I'm sorry, that was incorrect. This is a Deimos berth, all in one berth, 2x1, and then it goes into a 3x1 berth, or 3 living quarters maybe. And then it comes up here into a weird spot into the brig. So we have the brig here, and if we come over here, we have a workshop. So that's not bad. And then up here, this is just one of the Deimos engineering bays, either A or B. On the other side here, you'll see is B. So then you have to come through here, go all the way up into this engineering bay. You can come into the captain's quarters, and then you are on the bridge. So let's go to the ship builder and see what we got here. So I just finished this. It hasn't gotten a paint job yet. I'm going to try to pull out the maze in this. I don't know, but I may be done with this one. That's the docker right there. So it's just an interesting idea. It kind of looks like the outer legs are landing, and like there's 2 engines and then there's weapons. So it could be like this middle part will detach from like the weapons platform. So if they take too much damage, they can jettison them and still fly the main ship. So we'll take a look at it in the ship builder here. I really do love shipbuilding. So here's what we got. We got reactor 40, max shields, cargo 13,000. With these engines, the 6830s, I find around 10k cargo and 80 mobility, somewhere around there. So let's take a look at what we got here. So underneath, I got this belly cargo. I've been really built on a lot with this belly cargo. We have our wide NG20 Nova Galactic landing gear. Get that at New Homestead in Titan. So then I have some of these risers, a Stroud Eklund riser, and then a Hope Tech riser. Then I added some cargo here for the joint connection point. You can take that out and put a Nova bracer, make it lighter, get your mobility up. And I have a weapons mount with some obliterator auto projectors and some suppressors. Then I used these Hope Tech cab cross bracers here to connect these. On both sides the same, and then in the back set of legs is the same gear, and then I used these Hope Tech B mids to raise it up one, and then the Stroud Eklund engine bracers, and then we went into these Tayo mid caps. We have auto turret, and then there's the 6830 SAL engines. Then I got I had just 2 radiators here connecting it, but then I put the Deimos bracers across there. We have 4 of these 500T HE3 tanks. They are basically, I needed fuel and a place for the engines. Then we have a Deimos tail. Engines are the same on the other side. And then we have some wings. And then we have two more of the NG-20 landing gear there. We have our Deimos landing bay, mid brace, or a hull, Deimos hull, then a belly. Then here we have an all-in-one berth. Then back here we have a 3-in-1 all-in-one berth. And then here is I hate it when it doesn't let me move. So then we have one of the engineering bays and then another engineering bay. And then we have our workshop and our brig, which I am going to change out for living quarters. So max crew of 10, hull of 1571, max jump range 84 mobility, 130 top speed. So just under 9,000. Like I said, about 10,000 cargo with these engines, and you get 80-ish mobility, depending on all your other hull pieces. But yeah, again, I don't really come up with names for things. I don't like to name things, but it's an interesting ship. If you look at it, you could see how it could detach these, like this front section that's a lander and weapons platform, and then you could detach this back section which has a turret and engine on it. Maybe you make a faster getaway. I had originally had, instead of these mid bracers here, or these mid caps, I had cargo. Then it would be like you could jettison the cargo, but I really liked the look of this belly cargo here on the Deimos, especially. I don't know, and it comes in a shielded variety. If you want that shielded cargo, I didn't use any shielded cargo on this one. I don't have it at this station, so yeah. So we got 4 of these auto turrets, one facing backwards, 2 facing to the sides. And we have 4 suppressors, and again 6 of the Vanguard Obliterator auto projectors. So yeah, that's this build. I might actually take this one off. I haven't gone into space yet with this one to see what it looks like.
Hello, Captain.
The other ships I've flown around a lot in. Let's see what this looks like with the living quarters in it now. So we come down here. Come back here.
Can I help?
So, there's our workshop. I want to see if it put a door in up here. No, it didn't. Okay. I'm really trying hard to get doors to spawn in certain ways, and I am not having any luck with that. So, go to our bridge. And I basically have all the ship parts unlocked. Like I said, you can put shielded cargo on. I would have to go to the key. I am friends with the Crimson Fleet, but I know I'm just building ships. It's just something to do. I got a lot of downtime, and I've been enjoying the game. Mostly the ship building. So it moves. Not bad. What are the guns? It's a lot of bullets. Wow, that EM takes a bit to charge back up. Let's put some more power in it. Yeah, not bad. Let's see. Should go 140. Yeah, about 4 something. Wish last time I did this, it didn't show me landing. It just traveled me to the ground. That's gonna about wrap it up. So we'll be getting back to other stuff. Like I said, I got some downtime there. They got to do some electrical work on the house and some plumbing. So I really got free time basically, and I just didn't want to do anything. So I decided to play this game. So I'm enjoying it. It, scratches that engineering itch to design something. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.